Hey guys, it's Colorado Trailers, home of the Colorado off-road trailer. Wanted to show you guys today one of our 7x16 bronze blackout off-road trailers. You guys can shop online with us anytime at getmytrailer.com, as we are #1 in online trailer sales, and we ship. And always send us an email with questions, sales@getmytrailer.com. This one again is one of our 716 Colorado off-road trailers in the bronze blackout package. This is a nice thick aluminum skin with this bronze exterior. You do have the generator box on the front, as well as a generator platform, so you've got a place for that generator to ride. Extended tongue, side swivel jack, removable front coupler. These do come with a lot of diamond plate along the front as well, so you've got that rock protection. Side door has the RV lock and cam bar on it, so double lock protection there. You also have a pull-out step underneath that side door. Couple of party lights on the outside. These are nice big light bars so you guys can hang out and have some light at night. And then you also have an exterior GFI outlet located right there as well. A great place to plug stuff in. Two 3,500-pound torsion axles, brakes on all fours, 32-inch Mudterrain tires, and these are true off-road trailers. They do come with about 19 inches worth of ground clearance. As you guys can see, they're really tall. You do not have a giant axle tube that runs down there either between your tires and defeats the purpose of being off-road capable. So true off-road trailers. Now we also have the aluminum roof rack and ladder, so you've got some additional storage space on top. Drop down stabilizer jacks underneath the back. I did leave the ramp door up on this one so you guys can see this does have the rear deck option on it, so you can fold this ramp down and use it to load and unload stuff, or put the jacks down and you can have a rear deck and have some exterior living space. Party lights off the back, or excuse me, load lights off the back as well, so you guys can see what you're doing when you need to load and unload in the dark. We're gonna come in the side door here so you guys can see. Super simple. This does have an actual deadbolt on it and a set of keys, which is great. And then on the interior, these are insulated, so you do have insulated walls and ceiling in here with a beautiful white aluminum wall and ceiling liner. Makes it really clean inside, easy to take care of. You can wipe it down. Now we do have 2 windows plus a max air vent, so you can have some great ventilation in here as well. 7-foot interior height, performance Nudo floor with Drymax. This is simply one of the most durable floors we can stick in a trailer, which is why we use it. Couple of puck lights. It looks like you've got 4 of those guys, 2 on each side. And I wanted to point out your puck lights on the interior here, as well as your party lights on the outside. And those spotlights off the back are all gonna run right here with this battery box. So your battery, again, it's gonna run all your 12-volt lighting, which is right there for you guys. Normally you need to be plugged into a vehicle or plugged into a generator or an extension cord to bring power into the trailer. That eliminates that problem for you. So great source there. We also have 30 amp service. You've got this nice big long cord. You pop it through the floor, plug into a generator, a campground, and an extension cord. That's gonna bring all your 220 power into the trailer, power up your interior outlets for you. It's also gonna run your AC unit with a heat strip. So you guys can see you can heat and cool these units as well with that feature right there. That's also gonna bring power into your 4-foot LED lights. I'm gonna spin around without trying to make everybody sick, sorry. And there's another one of those guys right there. So a lot of light in here if you guys need it when you flip on those 2 4-foot LEDs. You can work and do your thing. 3-year factory warranty with these trailers. Again, we ship all over the place. We've got great rates, so give us a call, or you can submit for a shipping quote right online. And again, go to getmytrailer.com. Shoot us an email, as we work all the time through email at sales@getmytrailer.com, or give us a call. We are at the store on limited hours, 303-688-8485. And be sure to like and subscribe.